Struggling to memorize or understand the Quran? Allah already made it easy for you.
وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
And we have certainly made the Quran easy to remember, so is there anyone who will be mindful? So many people say, I'm not an Arabic speaker, or I'm too old to memorize the Quran. But listen, this is not your limitation. Allah Himself says He has made the Quran easy to remember. That's not a motivational slogan, it's divine truth. You don't have to be a scholar. Just take one verse a day. One word a day. One sincere intention is enough to start. The Quran was made for you, no matter your age, background, or struggles. So stop doubting. Start small. Stay consistent. Because Allah promised, you can do it. Comment, I will start today, if this verse motivated you. Share with a friend who wants to connect with the Quran. Follow for more Quranic motivation and ease.